From the beginning, our program has been founded on 4 pillars, and research is the first of those pillars. Research is systematically investigating human attitudes and behaviors. And the reason that this is so important is because we need an accurate picture of the world before we can be making decisions about the welfare of people and organizations. For most of us, it's our natural tendency to fail to look at the totality of evidence when we are investigating the world. And another thing that we do is we give too much weight to certain pieces of evidence. And this results in kind of a skewed perception. None of us are fully objective when we are looking at the world. This is why we need sound scientific methods, because those provide a check on our own biases so that we can do the best that we can when we serve individuals in organizations as scientist practitioners in the field. My goals as Director of Research in this program is first to help students be responsible consumers and producers of research so that in the end we can make informed, accurate, wise, and compassionate decisions when it involves the welfare of the individuals whom we serve in organizations.